Hi everyone, today we're going to look at Barbie Extra Doll number 5. She has brown eyes and gold hoop earrings that do not come out. She has 3 necklaces, one is clear, one is gold, and one is shiny gold. Her hair is styled in 2 braids, and she has pink, purple, blue, green, and yellow hair. She comes with a blue denim jacket with fringe on the sleeves and fire print along the edge of the jacket. She has a white sleeveless top that says love in blue, white, black, and pink. She has blue denim shorts that her hand can fit into the pocket. Her top and bottom are 2 separate pieces and both Velcro in the back. She comes with yellow, brown, and black lace-up high heel boots with green socks that are separate from the shoes, some black sunglasses. She also comes with a shiny gold bracelet and a pink bracelet. She has movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, the hip, and the knee. She also comes with a pet, a brown and black dog with a pink collar and a pink car for the dog that the dog can fit in and the car moves. She also comes with a white handbag with a pink phone printed on the front of it. The bag does not open. Some of my favorite things about this doll is her hair and her jacket and her pet.